Storm chasers, storm chasers, storm chasers, storm chasers. Look at the sky, it's getting darker. So we go down the road and check. Oh my gosh, I hate that part. So today we are checking out a new storm. It's starting to rain a little bit. Oh my gosh, it is raining. It's not that dark over here, but it's real dark over there. So let's go check that out after those guys. Oh my gosh, it's raining. It's actually raining. Not that hard, but it's raining. Gosh, we might actually have a storm today. The first ones were an awful success. I mean, not a success at all. Oh, it's starting to get hotter. Oh, no, it's cold now. Now it's hot. Now it's cold. This is weird. I'm gonna turn around. Whee! It's pretty light over here and pretty. Well, I still have some storm clouds over there. But I gotta say, that's the most over there. Doggy. Dog. And that dog is usually barking. I wonder what's wrong with it today. Weird. I heard that dogs usually act strange when there's a tornado or a storm coming. Why'd I say tornado? I think it's just I really want a tornado so bad. Gosh, that thing's getting closer every second. Right now I'm on my bike, so if there actually is a big storm and I have to get inside, I'm gonna pedal like crazy. Oh, there it is. Okay, I'm gonna go check out some other places. Yes. Oh my gosh. Rain. Why is it rain? The rain keeps falling. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna crash. Okay, now let's drive. I hit the car. Sprinkler. It actually is raining. Like if I keep it for this a while, rain will start coming on it. My finger, audio. Doggy. Going up the hill. And we're going down the hill. Is it me or is it just getting closer? When the storm actually comes and gets bigger, I'll start keep doing it. But for right now, I'm just going to turn off the phone because I don't have that much battery left. So that's it for right now. See you guys next time. Bye, and Storm Chasers Revenge. Da!